Yo, what's up everyone? It's Zag and we're diving deep into the tech world today with a topic that affects a ton of us. Upgrading your PC. Specifically, we're talking about why Microsoft really wants you to ditch that old Windows 10 machine sooner rather than later. Now you might be thinking my PC works fine, why upgrade? And yeah, I get it. But trust me, there are some compelling reasons why Microsoft is pushing for this change. And it's not just about them making a quick buck. We're going to break down everything, from the end of support for Windows 10 to the performance gains you can expect, the security enhancements, and even the environmental impact. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's unpack this whole upgrade situation. Alright, first things first. We gotta address the elephant in the room. Windows 10 is reaching its end of life. Mark your calendars because October 14th, 2025 is the official date. After that, no more security updates, no more patches, no more official support from Microsoft. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, I'll just keep using it anyway. And hey, technically you can, but here's the catch. Running an unsupported operating system is like leaving your front door wide open. Without those crucial security updates, your PC becomes incredibly vulnerable to malware, viruses, and all sorts of nasty stuff lurking online. It's a risk you really don't want to take. Think of it like this. Remember those old phones that couldn't run the latest apps or games? It's kind of the same deal here. An outdated OS can hold you back in more ways than one. So while that 2025 deadline might seem far away, it's closer than you think. And trust me, you don't want to be scrambling for a new PC at the last minute. Upgrading sooner rather than later gives you time to explore your options, find the right PC for your needs, and make the transition smoothly. Okay, let's talk about the fun stuff. Performance. PC hardware has come a long way in recent years. We're talking faster processors, more RAM, lightning-fast SSDs, the works. And guess what? Windows 11 is designed to take full advantage of all that horsepower. Upgrading to a new PC with Windows 11 isn't just about a newer operating system, it's about unlocking a whole new level of speed and responsiveness. Imagine your PC booting up in seconds, apps launching instantly, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. That's the power of new hardware paired with a modern OS. And let's be real, who doesn't want a PC that just works flawlessly? Plus, Windows 11 comes with this really cool feature called Direct Storage. It basically lets your super fast SSDs talk directly to your graphics card, which means insanely fast game loading times and smoother graphics. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or just someone who values a snappy computing experience, upgrading your hardware and moving to Windows 11 is a game changer. Now let's get real for a second. Security is more important than ever these days. With all the cyber threats out there, you need a PC that's got your back. And that's where Windows 11 really shines. Microsoft has gone all in on security features with this one. We're talking things like Windows Hello, which uses facial recognition or fingerprint scanning to log you in securely. No more remembering complicated passwords. Then there's Secure Boot, which makes sure your PC only boots up with legitimate software. It's like having a digital bouncer for your computer, keeping all the bad actors out. And let's not forget about the built-in antivirus and anti-malware protection that's constantly running in the background, silently protecting your data and your privacy. Older PCs, especially those running outdated operating systems, just can't match the level of security that Windows 11 offers. It's like comparing a fortress to a cardboard box. So, if you value your digital security and peace of mind, upgrading to a new PC with Windows 11 is a no-brainer. Okay, let's talk about something everyone's going to notice right away, the user experience. Windows 11 got a major facelift and it looks fresh, modern, and incredibly intuitive. We're talking a centered start menu, rounded corners, and a clean, minimalist design that just feels good to use. It's like stepping into a brand new car, everything just feels more refined and luxurious. But it's not just about looks. Windows 11 introduces some seriously useful productivity features, like snap layouts, which make it super easy to organize your windows and multitask like a pro. And then there's the new Microsoft Store, which is finally a joy to use. It's got a much wider selection of apps, including Android apps, which is a game changer. Whether you're a longtime Windows user or new to the platform, the improved user experience in Windows 11 is something you'll appreciate every time you use your PC. Chapter 5. Future-proofing, the software advantage. Now let's talk about the future. Technology moves fast and software is constantly evolving. New apps, games, and creative tools are released all the time, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But here's the thing, older PCs can struggle to keep up. They might not have the processing power, RAM, or graphics capabilities to run the latest and greatest software. Upgrading to a new PC with Windows 11 ensures that you're future-proofed for whatever comes next. You'll be able to run the latest software without any issues, taking full advantage of all the new features and innovations. Plus, new PCs often come with the latest Wi-Fi standards, Bluetooth versions, and ports, so you're not stuck with outdated technology. It's about investing in a PC that can keep pace with your needs today and well into the future. Chapter 6. The Green Upgrade Sustainability Matters. Okay, this might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about upgrading your PC, but it's something we should all be thinking about. The environmental impact. Manufacturing new electronics does have an environmental footprint, but here's the thing. Newer PCs are actually designed with energy efficiency in mind. They use less power, which means lower electricity bills for you and a smaller carbon footprint overall. Plus, many manufacturers are using recycled materials in their products and packaging, further reducing their environmental impact. And when it's time to retire your old PC, you can recycle it responsibly, ensuring that its components are reused or disposed of properly. So, upgrading to a new PC isn't just about getting the latest and greatest tech. It's also about making a more sustainable choice for our planet. Chapter 7. Microsoft's Vision, a Connected Future. Now let's zoom out for a second and talk about the bigger picture. Microsoft has a vision for a more connected future where your PC seamlessly integrates with your phone, your tablet, and all your other devices. And Windows 11 is a huge step in that direction. It's designed to work seamlessly with other Microsoft products and services, creating a unified ecosystem that just works. Imagine starting a document on your PC and picking up right where you left off on your phone, or easily sharing files and photos between devices without any hassle. That's the power of a connected ecosystem. Upgrading to Windows 11 ensures that you're part of this connected future, taking advantage of all the latest features and innovations that Microsoft has to offer. It's about being part of a seamless and integrated tech experience that makes your life easier and more productive. The upgrade decision is at time. So there you have it, a closer look at why Microsoft is encouraging everyone to upgrade their PCs. From the end of support for Windows 10 to the performance gains, security enhancements, and the overall user experience, there are some compelling reasons to make the switch. Ultimately, the decision of when to upgrade is a personal one. But hopefully this video has given you a better understanding of what's at stake and why it's something worth considering sooner rather than later. As always, thanks for watching and be sure to let me know in the comments what you think about upgrading to Windows 11. Peace out.